going on, Kevin? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So I'm going to take a quick look here, see what we got, see what we can find. So right off the bat, I do want to click on this, see what it does. Oh, that's actually kind of cool. Anyway, I like your logo over here. I would probably move it a little over to the left. You got home, about us, services without a drop-down menu, so you lose 10 points over here. You got reviews and contact without your phone number on the left side over here, so you lose another 10 points. So you're down 20 points. Quality painting done right. Settle for nothing less. Call now. Hours, areas we serve. National city to Carlsbad. Okay, it's a little higher than San Diego though. Painters experts. I like these. This actually will let me know if this was done correctly or not, and it was sorta, not really. You got the right idea, just not the right words in there. Anyway, I'm Victor Ross. I own and operate Ross Painting Company. Cool. It's entertaining yourself. Wow, introducing yourself. 5-year warranty on labor, lifetime warranty on Sherwin paint, satisfaction guaranteed, request free estimate. Excellent. You have that around here. Should have your number littered through, not littered throughout, but like in the right spots. Interior painting, exterior, commercial, kitchen cabinets. Excellent. So you want to talk about everything that you offer, but you want to talk a little bit more about it. Now, put, for example, interior painting on the right, picture, and then, interior painting on the, where exterior painting on the left, picture, break it up like that. 6 years of business, 100% guaranteed. Our work, before and after pictures are fine, little unnecessary, but there's nothing wrong with having them. I mean, because someone like me doesn't understand what I'm looking at right now. I mean, I get it. Like this and this, I guess, are the same place. Maybe? I have no idea. Anyway, what our customers say, testimonials are fine to have. A little unnecessary on the home page. Get started with Best Painter today. Request free quote. Now, you want your phone number again, and it is click to call. Excellent. You get 10 points back. But you still lost 10 points for not having it on the top of the page over here when I said that over here. Boom. Okay, next. Let's take a look at the back end, see what's going on. So, nothing is going on. But I will take a look at this just to see what your organic keyword are. Now, a keyword is what anyone would put into Google to find your services. So when you're in the service industry or any industry at all, you want it to be service specific and location specific. Because if somebody's calling you from, I don't know, Texas, it's not going to help you out. Even if they really want painting, you're not going to fly out there and help them out. So National Painting Group, maybe that's your group, but it's not local. It's not anything. It's not very specific to location. So you're never going to rank for that. But you did go from position 97 to 25. So you're on page 2. So that's not, or 3. So that's not so bad. But let's take a look at what happens when I put in an actual good keyword, such as painter, San Diego, California. So this is location specific and it's service specific, and that's exactly what you want. That's also how you create Google Ads. But as we scroll through, you got yourself your GMB Google My Business profile. You want to be in here because about 30-40% of all people will click on one of these 3 guys. After that, you got your organic search. You got Yelp as number 1, Hughes as number 2, and then you got Wow One Day Painting. Now, they are a franchise, and they are ranked number 3 over Stubbins Painting, even though Stubbins Painting is like all over the California area. But let's take a look at Wow One Day Painting. So they also hit San Marcos. They lose points because there's not a click to call, and it's also an 888 number. People don't like that. They don't have any drop down menus for anything that they are offering, so they lose points, and no one ever uses this anymore. So San Diego Painters, that right there is a keyword. This is location and service specific, and they're probably going to rank for that. But as we scroll through, they got pictures. They're talking a little bit about what they do, some philanthropy work, I guess. We're hiring. See all of our locations. And then finally, they give you a whole bunch of options on what you want to choose, which again, they're giving you the ability to get to the right area as quickly as possible. So nothing wrong with that, but they are talking a lot about what it is they offer. So these are all the things they're offering. They're talking about each one, which is exactly what you want to do. You want to talk about every single service you provide. I mean, they're doing pretty good with it, maybe a paragraph or 2 for each one, so I'm not going to really say anything. Frequently asked questions, so kind of like a blog idea, and then schedule your day of painting. And then obviously what difference a day makes, our painting process, booking, consultation, save your day. We'll come on in and we'll do what you need us to do. Because they just like blitz it. And then that's the end of it. But let's take a look at the back end, see what's going on. So they have a UR rating, and a UR rating is how strong their website link is. Now that's the whole thing here. A DR rating is how much Google trusts them. And that's just the wowonedaypainting.com part. Now they do have 197 backlinks, and a backlink is where you have your website link, so this whole thing, somewhere else where somebody can click on it, and a referring domain is when it returns back to the actual website. Now, if I were to look at the entire thing, not just a prefix, which is the whole thing here, if I were to just look at wowonday.com, there would be literally 3,000 to 5,000 backlinks with like 1,000 referring domains, and that is not the point here. The point is to beat them in this area. They also have 93 organic keywords from here on out. So with that 93 organic keywords, they are bringing in 593 people a month through their website. So what are those keywords? What are they using to get all that traffic? So we're going to look at the type of keyword it is. So this is a buyer intent keyword. It's got location and service specific stuff in here. There's 450 people a month searching for it. They are getting 43 traffic. So when you're ranked number 1, 2, and 3, you'll get roughly 10 to 20%, and they're in position 5 for it. But again, they're getting 43 people a month, so that's not so bad. If they go up in the ranking 1, they'll get an additional like 3%. House painting San Diego, again, service and location specific, 450 people a month. They're getting 41 people because they're in position 5. So positioning is super important when it comes to getting the traffic, but also you want to make sure you're getting the volume for the correct keywords. So all 4 of those are going to be extremely important. So how does this really help you guys out, Kevin? All you got to do, honestly, is you have to get content. We got to get more content on your website so you can start adding in organic keywords in there, and then finally you got to start adding backlinks. Now the good news is you can take them from our Wow One Day Painting, that the back page over there. You can take them from Stubbins Painting. You can find the ones they're looking and copy those same ones, and then add an additional 20 or 30 on top of that, just so you're outranking them, and then you should be able to start ranking without any real difficulties. Now, again, it's not going to take a day, but it will take 3 to 6 months, maybe a little bit longer depending on how much competition there really is. But as far as organic traffic, imagine if you can bring an additional 50, 60 people to your website a month through that. What would that do for you? Anyway, that's all I got. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, Kevin. Other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.